China's aerospace industrial base is difficult to beat. The workers, engineers, and designers don't seem to need any sleep. Existing airframes leading China's leap into fifth-generation flight, like the J20 and J35, are advancing rapidly. The J20 is growing in numbers, with the People's Liberation Army Air Force reportedly fielding 250 to 500 mighty Dragon fighters. They are located at bases across the country and can easily threaten Taiwan and the first island chain on the east coast, while menacing India on the western coast. We are learning even more about China's airplane industrial complex. New satellite images show that the PLF is gunning hard to produce more J20s and J35s. China's state-owned aerospace conglomerate, the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, is dominant. The employees there are going full bore, and more production facilities have been spotted in Planet Labs' open-source commercial satellite imagery. The Mitchell Institute for Aerospace Studies is one think tank that is concerned about how much manufacturers like Avoc have spurred the PLF's fighter building capacity. China's inventory of fighter and attack aircraft is going to grow significantly over the next 5 years, said J. Michael Daum, a senior fellow at the Mitchell Institute. The Avoc Chungdu plant is being expanded greatly to build even more J20s and J35s. There could be as much as 3 million additional square feet of manufacturing space added to the facility. This would enable the Chinese to operate 5 J20 production lines simultaneously. If the Chinese in Chengdu were to work even one 8-hour shift a day, it would trigger a huge productivity spurt. Avoc is likely running 2 shifts to make even more airplanes. Looking back at commercial satellite imagery and substantial infrastructure improvements support the assessment that the Chengdu plant has increased its capacity and could be producing as many as 100 J20s per year, said Daum, who presented his findings at the 2026 Air and Space Forces Association's recent Warfare Symposium in February. 100 J20s each year from now until 2030 could give the PLF between 500 and 1,000 J20s by the end of the decade. This is a massive number and will provide the Chinese with an excellent transition to its 6th-generation fighter jets, which are already flying, such as the J-36 and J-50.